Hello and welcome to another episode. Let's go check the ocean. We're trying to figure out what to do today. Oh, look, it's Smokey! Hi, Smokey! How are you? I don't know, I don't speak cat, but maybe he's hungry or thirsty. Oh, it's windy. Not ideal for surfing. Might have to do something else. I'm linking up with Jackson and Caden, of course, because I basically live with them. Caden has been here for like a month. He's gonna go home soon, which is sad, but he will be back. But I think we're gonna go link up with some other friends, Mia and Ilima, and we're gonna go to a waterfall. I'm not sure which one. Ah! Waterfall!
Waterfall?
What waterfall should we go to?
Today?
Muhunahina.
What's the one on the east side?
The Humihima?
Haleaka Machako?
Haleaka Machako? That sounds pretty good. I think it's actually called Mauna Wili Falls. It's a pretty popular one. Lots of people go there. But yeah, we're just gonna get our stuff together, get in the car, and I will see you in the jungle. Here we go. We cross. It's a lovely morning. I got my coffee, I woke up the boys, and it is firing. The sun is just starting to hit the barrels, and it's looking dreamy out here. Mauna Wili was so fun. That was like a couple days ago. And here we are, we're gonna go surfing. What's up, boys?
Bro, it's as good as it gets for the boys right now, dude.
So on right now.
We're having a very, very big struggle. Do we go there, or there? Because I've literally seen like the best waves of the year go down at every single break. I don't know, but the problem is we've been surfing the sandbar a lot. We're just packing closeouts, and that's kind of it. But today's the day that's like you're not just gonna pack them and then that's it. You're gonna pack them, you're gonna come out. I'm seeing them just and then into a turn set.
That's what we want. Whenever Jackson makes noises like that in the morning, you know it's gonna be a good day. That was a dreamy one.
We gotta go right now though.
Yeah, we need to get out there. The sun's hitting it. We're out there.
Let's go. Not a day to mess around.
Yeah, we're yeah. Let's just strap up. Strap up and get out there. Woo! That was epic. What a morning, boys. Wow.
That was one of the better mornings we've scored in a minute.
How'd you go?
I think that was my best session of the trip.
Really?
For sure.
Hey,
That's sick. Got
you
some
know
barrels.
how you know it was a good session? Because Justin woke up, pounded on our doors, and told us it was firing. I always think it's firing, but when Justin thinks it's firing, it's game on.
That's true. These guys are always psyching when it's like okay, the waves are okay. But I only get super psyched when the waves are super, super good, and that was this morning. It was glassy. We got up at like 7:30 and we got out there and got some barrels. Man, that was fun.
So sick, dude. Oh, I got one of the longer barrels I've ever got. So fun.
Also, I need to hear these guys' review of Mauna Wili Falls because that's in this video too.
Mauna Wili Falls, dude.
Give me a quick and fast.
Quick and fast review of Mauna Wili Falls. Jungle, action, monkeys, bridges,
One monkey.
Treacherous climbing.
treacherous climbing, mudslides. All in all, I felt like I was roaming through Jurassic Park. It was sick.
What do you
Same as
say?
him. He's the monkey.
Ow!
You. See you next week.
Yeah.